Create a club with bells, church bells, and replace in League One or League 3 in England. Rival is Wigan Athletic. I love Wigan. Creating kits, black, white, and yellow. Nike, Adidas, and Nike. Seat colors is black and goal net is black, white, diagonal. Bellows Church. It's time for Aventure. First impression and first win and second win. 2 wins in a row